If you have multiple tasks in Microsoft Excel which are to be performed repeatedly, then you may record a macro for automating the tasks. The macro is an action or a bunch of actions which you will be able to run as many times as you wish. While you are creating a macro, you are recording the mouse clicks and keystrokes. It is an automated sequence used as an input which imitates mouse actions or keystrokes. The macros are typically used as replacements for the repetitive series of mouse and keyboard actions. They are used commonly in word processing and spreadsheet applications such as MS Word and MS Excel. The file extension used for the macro is .mac. Macro is a code which automates work in programs as they allow you to add your own little features and improvements to aid you in accomplishing what is needed fast and with the click of a single button. Chapter 1. Macro Names. Understanding macro names. This term macro is commonly used for referring to specific macro objects. In other words, the objects you can observe under the macro heading of the navigation pane. However, in reality, one macro object consists of several macros, in which case it is referred to as a macro group. This macro group gets displayed on the navigation pane as a standalone macro object. However, the macro group really consists of more than a single macro. Of course, you can create every macro as a separate object, but more often than not, it is required that you group many related macros into single macro objects. The names in the macro name column identify every macro.